All right, you're looking at the 2020 Shark Evo One 2. This is a modular headset. This is a size large, or a 60, with a Sena 50S attached to it. And if you take a look at it here, we'll just go all the way around it. It's on my stove. This is a great modular helmet, flips up in the back. But the Sena 50S, there is not a place actually for the clip to clip into the helmet. This foam is all the way. There's no gap in there to stick the removal. So I did use the 3M adhesive to attach the 50S to the helmet, and then ran the wiring here over the lip. And what I kind of wanted to point out, and the reason of this video, is to kind of point out, get some good lighting here, is that on the inside, let's see if we can, there we go, it's a little better. On the inside, I've removed the cheek pad, and underneath the cheek pad is this groove. It's about the size of a, just a little bit bigger than a quarter. And the Sena 50S speaker is designed ideally to sit in that hole and become recessed so that it's not sticking out in the way of the cheek pad. However, it's not an exact match for the 50S. It's off by, I would probably say, 1 or 2 millimeters, 2/16 of an inch. So that does not sit in there recessed, and instead it butts up. The cheek pads that come with the large size helmet, these are the cheek pads, and these cheek pads have this little spot here where the speaker can come through. But what's happening is these are thin, and it's pushing up against this, pushing against my head, and it's not really fitting properly. So what I'll probably do is take a razor blade and just cut out just a hairline here so that the speaker can get down in that hole and fit. I've also ordered the 20 millimeter cheek pads just so that it's not quite as tight in there as well. These basically just sit in, attached in with these two spots. But all right, the other thing to note was the first 50S that arrived came with software version 1.0 and would not upgrade to 1.6. So we did an RMA through Amazon, and the new unit came with 1.03, and that did upgrade to 1.6. So now I got to find a razor blade, see if I can make a little more of a channel for that to sit back in there, so it's not pinching my head so tightly. You can kind of see the same thing. This guy over here, he's sitting on top of that channel, not inside of it. I think they would have made that just a little bit bigger for the ears. I don't know if this is Shark feedback or if Sena needed a smaller earpiece. Again, Shark Evo One 2 2020, large, size 60, Sena 50S headset.